Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home, and today I'm sharing with you a brain teaser book which is called Scratch Your Brain One More Time. And Vivaan has been asking me to make this, and this has been ready for quite some time, but it's just I wasn't getting the time to record the video. Okay, so let's get going. Let me open the book and quickly show it to you. So you have your first activity, which is more based on the money. You can change the dollar sign into whatever currency you guys use, or wherever you are situated, whether it's a rupee or a euro or a pound or a dollar, yen, a rupiah, like anything, wherever you are, you can like change the amount, and you can use your own currency sign there. It's like it's your friend's birthday and you plan to buy her some gifts. You have $50 to buy her something. Circle the things that you want to buy below and write the total amount once you finish shopping. So you have a couple of things here. Either the person can buy for almost $50 or can buy for less. And then once whatever he or she buys, they select, they have to write the total amount here. To make it further more interesting, you can also ask them the amount if something is left, how much is left, and then they can write it here. Going forward, the next activity is like copy and paste. So you have already these things here. You have to make the same design right here. Okay, and I've made this as a simple one because one of my friend have asked me to give this book to her, so I'm going to be sharing this book with the child, and that's why I've made a little simpler one. You can, if you've been like following my channel, you can make it a little more intense by adding like maybe like four more rows or columns, or three more rows and columns, and you can make like more designs or more colors. You can add more numbers, more alphabets. So what they have to do, they have to just exactly replicate it here. So like you have 241 here, you're gonna write 241 here, 368 is gonna come here, 100 is gonna come here, and then these three designs will gonna come here. Now gather them in pairs. Each one has a partner. Join them by drawing a line from one to another. Remember, do not let lines cross or touch each other. So there are three steps that he needs to read, and then they need to follow. So once they're making the lines, they have to make sure they do not cross each other, they do not cut or cross. Yes. The Smiley Land School. Gather up each class, count and write the number. Class 1 is a smiley face, class 2 is the beetle, class K is a star. So you have all these three different ones. They have to count and they have to write the number here. Count all color smileys. There are different color smileys, but they all belong to class 1, the grade 1. Class 2, the grade 2 is the beetle or the ladybug, you can say, and the class K, which is the kindergarten, are all different kind of stars. So they need to count up here and they need to write them all here respectively. Then you have let's pair them. There is a certain relationship between the pair of figures given on either side. Find the matching term from the options, and then I've given an example right here. So like you have these three, and you have a triangle, you have four dots, and you have a square. They are similar shape. Now for the same thing, Vivan has to figure it out what's gonna come here from the options that are just right here. Okay, then you have certain things here. He needs to find the answer. The option is right here, and the same goes here. So you have three different questions that you have to do, and then you have the options, which is A, B, C, D, and then the right option, the answer is gonna come right here. Which one is different? Write the answer in the space. You have to write the space. So which one is different? Right here, 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 and here, whatever you think is a different one. Okay, but because it's a brain teaser, you have to see there must be something which is tricky right here. I'm going to tell you, like a simple one that I've made here is you have a smiley, a smiley, a smiley, but that's a sad face. So this one is different. The thing is C. You have to write C here. What is different here? What is different here? What is different here? What is different here? So I thought this would be very, very exciting, so he's going to write it here. Now, what similarity do you see? Please write it and explain. Hint, it can be a color, shape, a species, etc., etc. Whatever similarity you see. So there are two pictures. They are like one compound together. You have to write what are the similarities, and if you wish to explain, I have given you ample of space. The ample of space has been given for each one of them. So this is one pair together. He needs to figure out the similarity. So here the similarity can also be the color. Okay, also that they can be found in a farm at the same time, like strawberry and a bug. The color is yes, again they can be found together at many places. Also, it's a sign of summer or spring where you find butterflies on the flower. So there can be many things that can be that you can like figure out and make similarities, and that's what you have to write here. And if they wish to explain, like, they could just say the color, and then how do they want to explain that color, then they could write it right here. Okay, logical reasoning. Which one of the following animal is third from the left end? Mark X. Which of the following objects can roll? Mark Y. Use practical objects and observe. So like once he's doing is he needs to figure out, like, pick up 4 or 5 different shapes, and he needs to roll them and see which one of them will roll eventually and which one of them will slide, not roll, just be there. How many groups of 3 carrots can be formed from the given tigers? From the given carrots. I'm sorry, why did I write tiger there? That's extremely funny. I'm sorry. Carrots. Oh my god, that was so funny. Would have been Vivaan would have been like super crazy. Like, what, mom, what is that? Okay, each coral has 7 shoots. There are 5 coral in total. Please calculate how many shoots in total. You have to write the answer right here. Okay, if this is to this, then what is this is to this? You have all the options you have to write. Okay, now this is interesting. How many sides do you see? Don't miss the small one. So you have a rainbow, heart, star, and a heart bow. You have to count all these sides and you have to write them right here. You have small sides, you have big sides. So whatever sides you see, you have to count them and you have to write them right here. Okay, and now you have a sci-fi activity, which is mark X for the ones who need air, water, and grow. Mark Y for the ones who are today, tomorrow, the way they are right now. Okay, so this is basically a living and a non-living in a different way. And he needs to mark an X and a Y for all these objects. Now, there's a little I spy because he loves it, and I thought it's a pretty nice way of like adding things, something flashy in the house. Yellow and green leaves on a tree. There's a tree right in front of our house. Okay, there are 2 of them. One is totally turned yellow, one is turned green, and one is like yellow and green. He needs to find the one which is yellow and green. Halloween decoration, because it's just Halloween. So Vivan can find Halloween decoration in the house or somewhere in the compound. A little bell pepper. We have a small bell pepper plant in the house, and there I saw it's just popping up, and I saw the little bell pepper. So I thought it's nice if you can like figure that out. White NB shoes. So we do have the NB shoes, white color in the shoe rack. He needs to find them. Then a giant bug in the house, a food Ashburn book, and then Uno cards. He needs to find all these things in the house, and trust me, they're all not kept at the same place. So he needs to just look around, find them all. Okay, now it's measurement. Now with the scale, he needs to use a scale. He needs to measure, and then he needs to write from starting to end. He needs to measure, and then he needs to write it here. Same for these. For all these 6 objects, he needs to use a scale, measure them, and write them right here. Now with the thermometer, with the help of an adult, you have to measure the temperature. A cup of water from the fridge, a cup of hot water, and like caution, be careful. You can definitely work with the child when you're doing this, or if you don't want to use the hot water, like, you can totally skip it. A cup of normal water. So we are learning how to measure water, like the temperature of the water. So I will be like standing with Vivan when we'll be doing this. I think it's gonna be interesting, a little sci-fi. Okay, now take a guess, right? How long do you think are these lines? These are the lines. This is where he has to guess. So he just needs to guess. He doesn't need to use actual scale, and he would be writing the answer right here. And then another one here which says draw a 5 centimeter line here. So he can use a scale right here, is put it here, from here to here. He can draw a line, and that's going to be 5 centimeters. Okay, so next one is name the holiday for the season or the month. Okay, so you have November, December, April, October, March. You have Christmas here, you have Halloween here, Thanksgiving here, you have Easter here, you have Holi here. And if you like celebrate any other festival, you can just write the month, and I think it's gonna be great for the kids to just remember and just write. And I am writing this because at the same time we'll be practicing the months and the season at the same time, just the holiday. Yeah. Okay, now last but not the least, I have the journal knowledge test right here. So there are like these random 8 questions from US that I've taken up, and you can take whatever you want. You can like just add or ask them whatever questions you can ask about president, prime minister, the teachers, about friends. So I have written this: Mount Rushmore is in which state? Golden Gate Bridge is located. Which city is called Big Apple? You will see alligators, spaceship, and beaches in this state. If you want to see Liberty Bell, where would you go? Denver is the capital of which state? More than 100 islands make up the state. Nevada is famous for which dam? So yes, guys, I think it's a pretty intensive book, but it's been very very nice. I really enjoyed making it, and I hope you like it too. If you have any questions, do let me know, guys. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe. Please do share all these videos with your friends and families who have kids, younger kids. We have a lot of variety of stuff that we do in here. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.